Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to remove continue watching on Disney Plus. Before getting started with the tutorial, I'm gonna have to tell you that unfortunately, Disney Plus doesn't offer a feature to remove items from continue watching list manually. However, they might introduce this feature in the future, but for now, the only way to remove items from list is by finishing watching them or fast forwarding to the end of the content. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in disneyplus.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Disney Plus account, like you normally do. After you are in the main homepage of Disney Plus, scroll down and you will be able to see the continue watching list. All the movies or shows that you've currently started watching will be listed on this area. The only way to remove item from this list is by selecting the content, clicking it open, and if you're watching a movie currently and you'd like to get it out from your list, all you need to do is to fast forward your movie until the very end and then finish it off like this, and then the movie will be removed from your continue watching list. But if you're watching a series, then you just want to go to the last season that is available on Disney Plus, and then simply fast forward to the last episode of the latest season and follow the same step. So once you do that, you will be able to remove the content from continue watching list. That is the only way until now. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.